Hi guys, this is David Aguirre here, back here at South Bay Ford and Lincoln, showing you guys how to reset your oil light here on a Ford Edge ST. This is for everybody who loves to do their oil changes either by themselves, or maybe you went to the dealership or anywhere else and they forgot to reset your oil light. If anything, let's go over it. Let's make sure we can reset that oil light for you, and let's go over it step by step. Right here, you're going to be sitting down in the driver's side of the steering wheel, and you will just be focusing right now on the left portion of it, not on the right. The right portion would just be for your infotainment. So going on the left side of the vehicle, on the infotainment side of the steering wheel, as you know, you're going to have three different screens. Right now, I just got off of my miles, so right now I'm showing display, trip, fuel, driver assist, and settings. We'll be going down all the way to where it says settings. Once we get settings, we'll have another three menus that says vehicle, my key, and display setup. We'll be going to where it says my vehicle. Right there, you should get different amounts of options just depending where you are. We would be looking for the one that says oil life. Once you get to the one that says oil life, we'll be pressing on that one. Right there will let you know what's your percentage of oil life left. If you're already at 0 and you already did your oil change, all you would need to do is just hold the OK button, wait till the entire bar says resetting, and then you can let go of the button. That will reset your oil light, and then you can just go back to your main menu right where you have display, or you can do whatever you like, and then that's just how you reset your oil light, just in case you did your oil change by yourself or you went to anywhere else. That's how you would take care of it. If you have any questions, please call us. We'll be more than happy to walk you through it in case you have any questions. Thank you very much. This is David here at South Bay Ford.